CMA technical support. We are showing how to replace a micro switch. This is a micro switch. Micro switches are located in the cam timer. This is on an L1X dish machine. On this dish machine, make sure you have turned power off at the circuit breaker before you attempt to replace a micro switch. One of the first things we suggest is taking a picture of your wires so that you know what color your wires are. And Caesar is now going to go ahead and we're going to remove the wires. And then we're going to remove the micro switch. Again, here's your micro switch. So you can see what it looks like. Caesar's going to grab one of the leads down here, and then you're going to lift up and backwards and pull the micro switch right out. And then we will go ahead and put in the new micro switch. And all you're going to do with this is slide it in, and you'll hear it snap. And now we want to go ahead and put our wires back on. Remember, you took a picture. Once your wires are back on, you will be able to close the control box, re-energize your circuit breaker, and you should be ready to go. You can always visit us at www.cmadishmachines.com.